Great King Kichna.
Deep in the heart of the mystical land of Eldoria, there stood a powerful and revered ruler known as the Great King Kichna. His kingdom spanned vast territories, and his subjects hailed him as a beacon of strength and justice. One fateful day, rumors started to circulate about a formidable enemy force that threatened to invade Eldoria. The Great King Kichna, with his deep sense of duty and love for his people, knew that he must protect his kingdom at all costs. Gathering his most trusted advisors and warriors, he devised a daring plan to defend their lands. The enemy, led by the ruthless General Ragnor, was notorious for their brutality and conquests. They were known to raze entire villages and leave devastation in their wake. But the Great King Kichna was not one to back down in the face of adversity. He assembled his army, a formidable force of skilled archers, fearless knights, and courageous foot soldiers. The battlefield was set on the plains of Eldoria, where the sun shone down upon both armies. The clash was imminent, and tensions ran high. The Great King Kichna, mounted on his majestic steed, rode to the front lines, his presence inspiring his soldiers with unwavering determination. As the enemy forces charged forward, the Great King Kichna unleashed a volley of arrows, striking down their vanguard. The battle erupted into chaos, sword clashes and war cries filling the air. The Great King Kichna fought with unmatched skill and valor, his sword cleaving through the enemy ranks. General Ragnor, witnessing the indomitable spirit of the Great King Kichna, decided to face him in single combat. Their swords clashed, sparks flying with each strike. The Great King Kichna demonstrated his prowess, parrying Ragnar's blows and countering with calculated precision. In a climactic moment, the Great King Kichna delivered a devastating blow, disarming General Ragnor. Rather than striking a killing blow, the Great King Kichna showed mercy, offering Ragnor a chance to surrender. Moved by the king's compassion, Ragnor dropped to his knees, acknowledging defeat. The battle was won, and the enemy forces retreated, vanquished by the bravery and leadership of the Great King Kichna. Eldoria rejoiced, their beloved king hailed as a true hero. The Great King Kichna, however, knew that victory was not just in the triumph of war, but in the compassion he had shown even to his enemies.
Under the Great King Kichna's reign, Eldoria flourished and prospered. His subjects lived in peace and harmony, their hearts filled with admiration and gratitude for their remarkable ruler. And through the ages, the tale of the Great King Kichna's courage and mercy echoed, inspiring all those who heard it to be not only warriors but